here's how to go back on POCO X7 Pro. If you just started learning how to use this device, and if you use buttons at the bottom of the screen, then it's actually pretty simple, because in order to go back, you can simply tap on this arrow, which can be located either on the right side or on the left side depending on the chosen order. Sometimes, in some cases, you also have the back arrow built in the app menu, so you can tap on it of course as well. And you can also go quickly to the home screen by pressing the button in the middle. However, if you use gestures instead, then in that case you need to simply swipe from the left side towards the middle, like so. You can even see this arrow if you do this correctly, so start it from the edge and pull it towards the middle in order to simply go back. And if you want to go to the home screen, you can swipe from the bottom towards the middle, like so. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!